Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your reminder alerts haptics on the iPhone. So, haptics are a type of a vibration when you get a notification, so the phone vibrates itself. So what you want to do, if you want to set it to reminder alerts, you want to go to the settings and then go to the sounds and haptics. Once you are here, you're going to choose for reminder alerts, and then you can swipe up a little bit, and here you're going to find haptics. So click on haptics, and here you can select the type of the haptic that you want to. So if you click on a synchronize, this is going to be synchronized with the tone that you have chosen for reminder alerts. You can also select from the different types that Apple gives us, and also you can create from your custom that you have made. How to create a new vibration? We have a new video on our channel, how to do a custom pattern, so be pleased to search for it and get to know how it is done. So after clicking, you are going to find the tick next to a specific pattern, and once it is next to it, this means that from this time this is going to be your haptic pattern for reminder alerts. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.